YouTube aboard the Carolina Ferry System Crozan here in beautiful Hatteras, North Carolina. Brand new 2013 Freightliner Cascadia, just a single day cab. Nice truck, automatic. Takes a little getting used to, but overall, I can't complain. Nice ride out here. If you ever get a chance, y'all should head out here. Take some time, do some fishing, sitting on the beach. I'm new to YouTube, just so y'all know. I only have no videos. This might be my second. I'm not sure. Y'all don't know me, which is the majority of y'all, if not all of y'all. Work at U.S. Foods. I'm a delivery driver. I've been here almost 4 years now. Good company to work for. I'm home every night. See my wife and kids. They send you out, travel a little bit. Great benefits, great pay. As you can see, decent and really good equipment. We've gone through a lot of changes in the last year and a half, but so far so good. I really enjoy working here. If you have any questions, comments, or you're interested in working for us, leave me a comment and I'll answer the best I can. Anyways, thanks for letting me introduce myself, and y'all take care. Talk to you soon.